Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I
The Seiko Prospex automatic diver is designed with a cushioned, gold-finished stainless steel case and accordion-style black silicone strap. Water-resistant to 200 meters, this highly functional diver has a matching black and gold rotating bezel and large Lumi-Bright hands and markers. The black dial displays a day and date calendar for everyday use. The Seiko Prospex automatic diver is water resistant to 200 meters. Its angular stainless steel case and bracelet design features a black and orange one-way rotating bezel. The iconic orange dial displays a date calendar and large hands and markers, with Seiko's Lumi-Bright coating making it easy to read underwater. Seiko's 1968 automatic diver is reimagined in this 200-meter dive watch. It echoes the design of Seiko's first high-beat diver, but has a modern style with a thinner bezel and contemporary Lumi-Bright hands and markers. The stainless steel case and bracelet are constructed with super hard coating and a 3-fold clasp with push-button release.
I